Hello students, I'm teacher Krupa, your maths teacher. In the previous video lecture, we have started with the derivatives of logarithmic functions of the lesson differentiation. We have also started with the exercise 3.3 and completed question number 1. Today, we will be solving question number 2 of this exercise 3.3. So, let's see the sum. See the first sum of question number 2. We are given y is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x, the whole thing raised to x, and we have to find dy by dx. Now you know that when we have a function something like this is f of x raised to g of x type function. So in such cases we use the logarithmic functions. So let us take the log on both sides. So first we'll write taking log on both sides. You get log y is equal to log of 1 plus 1 upon x raised to x. And you know that now log of m raised to n is n into log m. So over here also you will get x into log of 1 plus 1 upon x, and this side it is log y. Now let us differentiate. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So the derivative of log y will be 1 upon y into dy by dx. Now this is x into log function. So you have to use u into v formula. So you will write x into d dx of log of 1 plus 1 upon x plus log of 1 plus 1 upon x into d dx of x. Correct? Now let us simplify. So you will get 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to x into. Now see, this is very important function over here. We have log into 1 plus 1 upon x. That means this is a composite function. Correct? Your x is replaced by 1 plus 1 upon x. So what will you do? You will have to first differentiate the function log into the derivative of 1 plus 1 upon x. So the derivative of log will be log x is 1 upon x. So over here you will get 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon x into d dx of 1 plus 1 upon x. Now 1 plus 1 upon x can be written as, take the LCM, you will get x plus 1 upon x plus log of 1 plus 1 upon x into derivative of x is 1. So we get into 1. Now over here also when you simplify you will get x plus 1 upon x. So when it goes to the numerator it will become x into x upon x plus 1. Correct? This one I have just simplified. X plus 1 upon x. So the reciprocal of it. So you get x upon x plus 1 into. Now see, this is very important term here. We have to differentiate x plus 1 upon x. That means you will use the formula of u upon v. So what will you get? Into, I will write here. This is x into d dx of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into d dx of x upon x square. Correct? Plus, this is plus sign here, plus log of 1 plus 1 upon x. Correct? Now let us simplify this bracket. So you get 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to, this is x square upon x plus 1, x square upon x plus 1 into the square bracket, what will you get here? X into d dx of x will be 1 and d dx of 1 will be 0. That means d dx of x plus 1 is 1. So you are left with only x minus x plus 1 into d dx of x. Now again d dx of x is 1. So you will only get minus of x plus 1. That will be minus x minus 1. So minus x minus 1 upon x square. And then this last term plus log of 1 plus 1 upon x. So 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to, this is x square upon x plus 1 into. Now here x will get cancelled and you are left with minus 1 upon x square. Correct? Plus log of 1 plus 1 upon x. Now again this x square will get cancelled and you will get here minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus log of 1 plus 1 upon x. Correct? Now take this y on the other side. So you get dy by dx is equal to y into minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus log of 1 plus 1 upon x. Now substitute the value of y. What is y? Y is 1 plus 1 upon x raised to x. So you get dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x raised to x into minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus log of 1 plus 1 upon x. This is your final answer. Clear? So see the second sum. Y is equal to 2x plus 5 raised to x. So as usual, first let us take the log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log of 2x plus 5 raised to x. Now this x will come for the multiplication. So x into log of 2x plus 5. This side we have log y. Now differentiating both sides. Differentiating with respect to x. So you get 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to, now this is x into log function. That means you will use u into v formula. So x into d dx of log of 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5 into d dx of x. So let us simplify. You will get x into, first you have to derive the log function. So you get 1 upon 2x plus 5 into d dx of 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5 log of into derivative of x, that is 1. Correct? So you will get again here x upon 2x plus 5. This is 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to x upon 2x plus 5 into derivative of 2x plus 5. Now derivative of 2x will be 2. We have done this. Derivative of kx is k. So derivative of 2x will be 2 and derivative of 5 will be 0. So you only get here 2 plus log of 2x plus 1. 2x plus 5. Correct? Now take the y on other side. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into 2x upon 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5. Correct? Now substitute the value of y. Y is 2x plus 5 raised to x. So you get dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 5 raised to x into 2x upon 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5. This completes your second sum. Let's see the third sum. Y is equal to cube root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into another bracket 5 minus x bracket square. See, don't get tense looking at the sum. It is very simple. We'll try to do it as in detail as possible. So, see over here. Actually, this can be written as, see, it is 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x the whole square raised to, you can write it as 1 upon 3. Correct? Now take the log on both sides. Sorry. Taking log on both sides, you will get log y is equal to this power, you know, it will come for the multiplication directly. Let us take it into log of this bracket 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x the whole square. Correct? Now we know that log of a upon b is log of a minus log of b. So we'll write here log y is equal to 1 upon 3. Then you get log of 3x minus 1 minus log of these two brackets 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x the whole square, and this completes here. Fine. Now see, again over here what we have got, log of a into b. What is log of a into b is log a plus log b. So here again you will get two terms. So you get log y is equal to 1 upon 3 into log of 3x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3. Now actually this is log a plus log b, but because of this minus sign both will become negative. So here you get minus of log of 5 minus x the whole square. Now again log of 5 minus x the whole square will become 2 times of 5 minus x. Correct? So now we have simplified this in terms of the given sum. We have simplified in terms of log. Now it is very simple. You can just differentiate. So write down here differentiating with respect to x. Let us write this side. Therefore you get 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 3. Now this is again a composite function. Correct? You have to first differentiate log into the derivative of 3x minus 1. Here also same thing. So it is derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of log of 3x minus 1 will be 1 upon 3x minus 1 into d dx of 3x minus 1. Correct? Then minus, again log function. So this is minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into d dx of 2x plus 3 minus 2 into log of 5 minus x. So 2 upon 5 minus x into d dx of 5 minus x. Correct? So you get 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 3 into, what is this? Derivative of 3x minus 1 will be only 3. Correct? So you get 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus of this. Again derivative of 2x plus 3 will be 2. So minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 minus 2 upon 5 minus x, and the derivative of 5 minus x. Derivative of 5 will be 0 and derivative of minus x will be minus 1. So this minus 1 and minus will become plus and you get 2 upon 5 minus x. Correct? Now take y on the other side. Now we have won the battle. It's all simplified. So y into 1 upon 3, 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus 2 upon 5 minus x. Now resubstitute the value of y. What is y? Y is the cube root of this. So 1 upon 3 into cube root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x bracket square into this whole thing. 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus 2 upon 5 minus x. Understood? This completes your third sum and that is the end of question number 2. So students, question number 3 will be doing in the next video lecture. As I said, question number 1 we have finished in the previous video lecture. I will give the link of it in this video's description. So do watch it and keep practicing maths. Goodbye.